In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Twitter Explore page. First, let's start by opening X. This is where your journey begins. You can do this by locating the app on your device or by visiting the website through your browser. Once X is open, you will see a variety of options presented on your screen. Your focus should now be on locating the Explore section. This is typically represented by a magnifying glass icon. By clicking on it, you will be taken to the Explore page where you can discover trending topics and updates from users you follow. This is an essential step because you want to ensure you are accessing the right content. Now that you are on the Explore page, the next action is to refresh it. You can do this simply by pressing the Control key and the R key together on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can also click the refresh button located on your browser. This action is important as it updates the content displayed on the page. Refreshing ensures that you see the latest trends and updates. After completing this step, take a moment to observe the changes on your screen. You may notice new posts appearing, which indicates that your refresh was successful. After refreshing the page, the next step is to check your content settings. To do this, look for the option labeled More. Clicking on this will expand a menu with various settings. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This area is crucial because it allows you to customize your experience on X. You want to ensure that your settings align with your preferences. A personalized experience can significantly enhance your time on the platform. Once you are in the Settings and Privacy section, find and click on Privacy and Safety. This is where you can manage who sees your content and how your data is used. It is essential to keep these settings in check for better security and content relevance. A secure account not only protects your information but also helps tailor your feed to suit your interests. Now you will want to navigate to Content You See. Clicking on this option will lead you to a page where you can review your preferences. Here, you should take a close look at your interests, location, and sensitive content settings. It is crucial to ensure that these settings match what you want to see on your feed. By customizing these options, you can refine your Explore page to show content that truly interests you. This attention to detail saves you time later when you are navigating through posts and updates. As you review your interests, think about the topics you enjoy most. Adjusting these settings can lead to a more satisfying experience on X. If you find certain interests no longer resonate with you, feel free to remove them. This flexibility is key in personalizing your content, ensuring that your Explore page remains fresh and engaging. After you have made the necessary adjustments to your settings, remember to save your changes. This step is vital to ensure that your preferences are applied. Look for a Save button or an option that indicates your changes have been recorded. When you successfully save, you will typically see a confirmation appear on the screen. This confirmation is reassuring because it indicates that your adjustments are in effect. With these steps completed, you should now have a more tailored experience on your Twitter Explore page. Be sure to return to the Explore page occasionally to refresh and check for updates. Keeping your content settings in check will lead to a more enjoyable experience on X. Thank you for following along with these instructions. Happy exploring!